When you browse through your Instagram profile and you come across one of the best picture, it brings a big smile on the face. Hello everyone, it's me Himangshu and welcome to Ramble and Curry. Today let's check why making video is so important and how it helps you to relive your moment in a much better way than simply taking pictures. Anyway, let's see why making YouTube videos makes more sense than simply taking pictures for Instagram. Sunny and bright days during Belgium winters are rare, and especially when they are in weekends, then there is simply no escape from taking your bike for a fun ride. My red power bike is one of the best investments I've ever done. The convenience of an electric fat tire bike is something that you have to personally experience. Let's start today's journey and stick with me till the end to see one of the best locations, very close to the city, and also understand why making videos makes more sense. You tried different angles to capture this moment in form of a picture, and after several takes, when you get it right, the smile comes out naturally. You post a picture on Instagram, and the satisfaction is instantaneous as it justifies the location and the mood. Now let's talk about the power of capturing the same moment in format of a video. Their satisfaction amplifies as you can show not only the location but also the journey, and at the same time you're able to express your thoughts and feelings in a much elaborated manner. It's a more personal way to engage with your audience. If you are with me so far, then kindly subscribe to the channel, and at the same time you can follow me on Instagram. In my opinion, making video is the best way to store the memories, and whenever you watch the video, it takes you back in time and the visual reference leaves a better impact. So go out and explore new places and try capturing as many videos as possible. YouTube or Instagram, there is no clear winner. There are two entirely different platforms. So take advantage of all the social media platforms and store your memories and share them with the world. YouTube or Instagram, there is no clear winner. What is more important is that you can leverage any of the social media platforms to store your memories and share it across the world. I hope this video has motivated you in picking up the camera. If so, kindly hit on the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and do subscribe to the channel. For now, take care.